Welcome back, guys. So we've got a Puli Tiger. So what is it, 16 plate. So it's got a hole in the exhaust, and I've got some really nasty looking nuts to try and remove too. Anyway, we've got a replacement front section anyway, so hopefully I can get all these studs out without too much fuss. There's not much left of them really, so I'm hoping that I can just break the nut, and then, you know, get it off the stud if there's any thread left. But I'm going to get the side panels off first and move the radiator forward. Yeah, they're not looking too good there. So I think we need to knock off the rust first. I've just noticed this as well on the radiator. Something tells me that's had a little leak. Yeah, we'll see if we can get these freed off. I've got a plan. So I'm pleased to announce that I've got some of them out. So basically I've just bashed on a socket. The engine, I've basically left the engine running while I was getting all these out. I've got up to this one, so I'm halfway along. I've got these three to get off. So I'm hoping that they all come out nicely. So they're all pulling, all the nuts are seized obviously, but it's pulling the studs out, so that's kind of lucky really. I've got my socket stuck on this one, so I'm gonna have to go and find another socket. That was on there. Last one. Okay, so I've took all the gaskets out. I've removed all my sockets, and in doing that I've made the cracks worse. That's how bad it was. So I'll admit these aren't all the same. I should have been a little bit more prepared. So I've got a Honda stud here, so it's 8mm and 7mm. I've got a normal bolt there, and I've got a stud with a nut on the other end. So yeah, not ideal, but they all do the same job. Okay, it's ready for a test. I'll pull the clutch in. I'm happy with that. There is a slight leak at that joint, but that pipe is pretty knackered anyway, so because it had all this on it. Right, put the radiator back on and then this job is done, I think. I'll save you from watching that, so thanks for watching guys. Pretty straightforward actually, although remember to bring the right parts first. Thanks for watching.